Welcome to Evercoat's Smart Repair System for small auto body panel repair. For over 60 years, Evercoat has been the leading innovator in polyester technology and continues to set new standards for metal straightening and finishing. In this video, we will explain and demonstrate our smart repair method using Evercoat's premium finishing putties. These repair methods will not only save time and material, but will also improve the overall quality of the repair. If the repair is minor and does not need to be pulled, then we recommend using one of Evercoat's premium putties directly over the sanded factory clear coat. The benefits of the Evercoat Smart Repair method are that it maintains the integrity of the factory paint and corrosion protection, keeps the repair small to maximize productivity, eliminates the need to sand to bare metal, prevents the risk of coarse sand scratches appearing after refinishing, and reduces the amount of primer needed to complete the repair. Let's start with soap and water to remove environmental contaminants. Next, we will use a solvent cleaner to remove grease, wax, and silicone. Failure to clean may result in poor adhesion and feather edge lifting. Using P180 to P220 grit, lightly sand the repair area, just enough to remove the gloss from the clear coat. Try to preserve as much of the factory clear as possible. If the clear coat or paint has small chips or deep scratches, continue sanding until they are removed before applying Evercoat putty. Small stone chips can be sanded by sliding the sandpaper between your fingertip and the paint chip. This technique keeps the repair small. Before using a fresh bottle of Evercoat putty, you should shake the package to ensure that the ingredients have not separated from transportation or storage. Dispense the putty onto a non-porous mixing palette. Add 2% cream hardener. The rule for measuring is to dispense a ribbon of cream hardener across the center of a 10-centimeter puddle of filler or halfway across a 5-centimeter puddle. Not using the proper amount of hardener may result in slow curing, long dry to sand time, sandpaper clogging, shrinkage, and possibly even poor adhesion. It is recommended to apply the first coat of Evercoat putty onto the repair in a thin coat using even, firm pressure. This will wet the surface to prevent trapped air from appearing as pinholes and help to ensure maximum adhesion. Then, build the area to the desired thickness, but not greater than 3 millimeters. Taper the edges with the spreader. Using P180 to P220 grit on a hand sander, carefully sand the repair. Try to avoid sanding through the clear coat as much as possible. Then remove the sanding dust with clean compressed air. To prepare the surface for primer and correct any micro pinholes that may or may not be visible, use Evercoat's 440 Express. First, thoroughly shake the bottle of 440 Express. Then, apply a small amount of 440 Express and wipe onto the repair in a rubbing motion. Continue wiping until all excessive residue is removed. Repeat this step until the entire repair has been covered with 440 Express. Visually inspect the repair for micro pinholes. They will be very easy to see once 440 Express has been applied. Apply an additional application of 440 Express just where there are micro pinholes to ensure that they are completely filled. Allow to dry for 15 minutes before applying primer. Using 440 Express will also help to reduce your primer usage. For more information on other performance products from Evercoat, go to evercoat.com.